Welcome to the top best. The best Ridgid fan is probably one of the most versatile and powerful tools you can add to your workshop or job site, designed to keep you cool and comfortable even in the most demanding environments. Whether you're battling the summer heat while working outdoors, need to improve air circulation in a stuffy garage, or require a reliable way to dry paint or concrete, this fan is engineered to deliver exceptional performance and durability, making it an indispensable asset for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Number 5. KITWLEMEN 20,000 mAh battery-powered camping fan. Never worry about running out of power again. This fan boasts a massive 20,000 mAh rechargeable battery, providing up to 58 hours of cooling on a single charge. It's perfect for long camping trips or unexpected power outages. Illuminate your surroundings with its super bright LED light. With 16 LED beads and 3 brightness settings, it can provide up to 100 hours of light, making it ideal for any nighttime outdoor activity. Experience superior cooling with its double tri-blade design, delivering more powerful airflow than standard fans. Choose from 4 different speeds to find your perfect comfort level. Direct the airflow exactly where you want it with the 270 degrees pivoting head. It cools you down instantly, ensuring comfort in any direction. Easily control the fan and light separately. Clear indicators show fan speed and battery life, and a sleep mode can turn off lights for undisturbed rest. Constructed with sturdy, anti-drop ABS material and an ultra-stable base, this fan is built for durability. It's perfect for any outdoor adventure and also serves as a reliable desk fan indoors. What we like. This fan boasts an incredible 20,000 mAh battery for up to 58 hours of cooling. If you're planning extended camping trips or need reliable power during outages, this is your go-to. Its bright LED light also makes it perfect for nighttime outdoor activities. What people say. The charge goes on forever. The battery really does last all night even on level 3 of 4 levels, quite strong airflow. The hook on the bottom made the fan easy to hang and you can rotate the fan all the way around to find your desired direction. Number 4. Camping fan with light orange. Never worry about running out of power again. This fan boasts a massive 20,000 mAh battery, providing up to 112 hours of continuous cooling. Plus, it can charge your devices, making it perfect for any situation. Experience refreshing airflow with 8 adjustable speed settings. It can propel air up to 18 feet away, ensuring a comfortable environment wherever you are. It's ideal for circulating air in smaller spaces. Enjoy cooling from every angle. It oscillates automatically up to 135 degrees and the head pivots 270 degrees, directing airflow precisely where you need it. More than just a fan, it features 16 bright LED lights with 3 adjustable brightness settings. It's perfect for reading or illuminating your surroundings at night. Designed for peaceful nights, it operates at a whisper-quiet level below 30 dB. Use the built-in timer to automatically shut it off and conserve energy while you sleep. Control your comfort with ease using the included remote. The clear digital display shows you all the important information at a glance. What we like. With a massive 20,000 mAh battery offering up to 112 hours of runtime, this fan is built for endurance. If you need the longest possible cooling duration without recharging, or appreciate the convenience of auto oscillation for wider coverage, this is an excellent choice for long outdoor stays or power-sensitive situations. What people say. The fan has direction capability, meaning direction both up and down by moving the blade cage, and it also oscillates with 2 angles to choose from. The 9-inch model has a lighted charge percentage instead of just a series of lights, which is really helpful to know when to charge. The fan and the oscillation are silent. The size is big enough to be sturdy and to provide good cooling, but small enough to move around easily. Number 3. Ridgid K400 Drain Cleaning Drum Machine Kit. Tackle tough drain blockages with ease. This powerful machine offers reliable performance for everyday clogs in tubs, showers, and sinks. Its user-friendly design makes drain cleaning hassle-free. Get everything you need in one package. It includes a powerful motor, manual controls, durable cable, and a complete tool set. You'll also find gloves and an operator's manual for immediate use. This unit features a 75-foot-long, 3/8-inch diameter cable. It's rugged, kink-resistant, and built to handle drain lines from 1.5 to 3 inches. The corrosion-resistant drum ensures longevity. Moving this machine is simple. The integrated transport cart has a fold-over handle and large, heavy-duty wheels. Easily navigate over bumps and stairs to and from any job site. Our patented system enhances safety and efficiency. It stops the drum if the cable gets lodged, preventing it from flipping. This also helps you quickly identify blockages. What we like. This powerful 120-volt drum machine is designed to tackle tough drain clogs in various household pipes. If you're a professional plumber or a homeowner dealing with frequent stubborn blockages in tubs, showers, or sinks, its robust performance and easy transport make it an indispensable tool for efficient drain cleaning. What people say. Works well, cured my drain problem. I used it in my cast iron main drain in 1936 constructed house. The professional plumbers wanted thousands to rebuild the drain, but this device cured my problem. It works great, be careful, learn how to use it. Don't let the cable get stuck and keep on turning, otherwise it'll spin and snap and get stuck in your drain. 3/8 cable is a lot more flexible for 1.5-inch pipes, and I prefer it over the 1/2-inch cable, which is stronger and better for big roots in 3 to 4-inch pipes. If you go slow and easy, the 3/8 will do a good job. If you're just doing your main line and it's 3 inches or 4 inches and you want a beast, get the one with the 1/2-inch cable. A plumber recommended that we buy one of these because of the number of plants growing into our old ceramic pipes. It works very well, and does exactly what it's supposed to do. Number 2. Ridgid 61630A 62/7/8-foot K60 Cable Kit. Discover the power and precision of the Ridgid K60 Cable Kit. Designed for demanding tasks, it offers unparalleled performance. Crafted in the United States, this kit is built to last. Its robust construction ensures reliability even in tough conditions. Measuring 21.5 inches in length, 7.6 inches in width, and 22.4 inches in height, it provides substantial capacity for your needs. Weighing in at 20,611.5 pounds, this tool is engineered for heavy-duty applications. Experience its formidable strength firsthand. Trust in the Ridgid brand for quality and innovation. This cable kit exemplifies their commitment to excellence in every detail. What we like. This heavy-duty cable kit is built for demanding professional use. If you're looking for a robust and reliable cable to pair with your drain cleaning equipment for tough jobs, this option ensures durability and performance when you need it most. What people say. Cable is strong enough to clean a main house drain. Perfect for sewer drain service contractors or facility maintenance departments. Used it for work. Cable by Ridgid is top-notch. Number 1. Ridgid SeekTech ST305 line transmitter. This device energizes metallic lines, allowing for highly accurate line tracing and underground cable locating. It can simultaneously transmit 2 frequencies for enhanced versatility and precision. It delivers up to 5 watts of power with 4 selectable frequency options. This ensures precise line tracing and underground locating with significantly reduced interference. Operation is user-friendly with LED-lit buttons and intuitive audio feedback. This confirms the circuit is functioning properly before you start tracing, making the process straightforward. It supports 3 different connection methods: direct connection, surface induction, and induction using an accessory clamp. This offers flexibility for various job site needs. This transmitter is lightweight and battery-operated, designed for convenience. It includes a carrying strap and ground rod, making it easy to transport and use in the field. What we like. This line transmitter offers powerful 5-watt output with versatile 4 frequency options for precise underground locating. If you're a professional needing to accurately trace lines and cables with reduced interference, its user-friendly design and multiple connection methods make fieldwork more efficient and reliable. What people say. The device puts out a strong signal. My locating wand picked it up easily, and we tracked it down a hill right to the problem spot. The extra feature such as passive tracing is very nice. It's also very compact and fits right into the locator case without any hassle. This transmitter works great. The whole Ridgid SeekTech system is easy to use and reliable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.